Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a React specific CSV downloader package where you can specify the data inside array of objects and download it as a CSV file. So this is actually the package. It does the same simple job. We have a download button. If you click this download button, it will download your CSV data, comma separated value, and it will look something like this, your CSV file, comma separated. These are the column names and these are the different rows that you specify. And actually the package name is React CSV downloader. So I've already installed this package, so I will show you a very basic example. And first of all, we will import this package by this name, CSV downloader. And it basically comes from this React CSV downloader. This is actually the package name. We have imported this, and now here we need to specify which data that we want to convert to CSV. So you'll have an array of objects, and here you can specify the column names. You'll have the ID, then we have the title, and then we can have age as well, and then we can have country as well. So you can specify as many column names as you want. So in this way you can specify. So we have two objects right here. Each object has four properties, four column names, and now inside this we can render this component. So it is called as CSV downloader, and this actually takes some arguments. First is what file name that you want to give. So you can give any file name, and then you need to provide the extension right here. It will be .csv, and then it takes the separator. So commonly in comma separated value, the separator is comma, but here you can change the separator as well. And wrap column character, it specify which character that you want to use to specify the column name. So I will write here single quote. And also you can specify your data right here in the data properties, and then whatever text that you want to give to the download button, download CSV file. So if you refresh your browser, you will see this button appearing, download CSV file. So once you click this button, your CSV file will get downloaded and it will have that data. You will see that. So in this way you can export your CSV file, CSV data, using this package, and you can change the separator right here. If you want this separator dash, then you can change this. So now what happens, instead of comma, dash will be there, you'll see. So you can customize it accordingly, which character that you want. So this is actually the package React CSV downloader. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check audio, video and image.